Carrot and bean sabzi. Heat oil in a pot. When the oil is hot, add some cloves, cumin seeds. Ensure that the oil is hot so that the seeds crackle. Then mustard seeds, followed by finely chopped ginger. Sauté. When the ginger is light brown, add curry leaves, asafetida, bay leaf, turmeric powder. Continue to sauté. Rock salt to taste. Finally, add the chopped carrots and green beans. Mix well. Cover with a lid and let it cook. Open the lid and add some coriander powder, cumin powder, a pinch of star spice powder, some black pepper, and continue to mix well. When it is cooked, add some desiccated coconut. You can also use fresh grated coconut. Finally, garnish with some more desiccated coconut. And it's ready to serve.